flour, okay?
I'll do that, Mom. How much shall I pay him?
1 kg of wheat flour costs 25 rupees. So pay the grocer 625 rupees for 25 kgs.
Wow, Mom. That was fast calculation.
Thanks, Aditya. Take 700 rupees and bring back the balance, okay?
Yeah, I know. The grocer will return 75 rupees.
Good calculation, Aditya. In this lesson, you will learn about money. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to compute value of many objects from value of one object. Calculate value of one object from value of many objects. Work out value of many objects from value of some objects. Money. Anusha wants to buy 2 dresses, each costing 650 rupees. How much does she pay to the shopkeeper? Cost of 1 dress is 650 rupees. Cost of 2 dresses is equal to 650 into 2, which is 1,350 rupees. Anusha pays 1,350 rupees to the shopkeeper. Let us look at another example. Chotu works as a porter at a railway station. He takes no leaves and earns 9,000 rupees in 30 days. How much does he earn in a day? Chotu's earnings in 30 days is 9,000 rupees. Chotu's earnings in a day is 9,000 rupees divided by 30, which is 300 rupees. Chotu earns 300 rupees in a day.